Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mr. Chairperson, Pakistan is the country whose contribution to global emissions is less than 1%. Yet, and sadly, we are the fifth most vulnerable country to climate change. We have decided, firstly, that we will have nature-based solutions to mitigate the effects of climate change. First, by planting 10 billion trees in the next 3 years. Secondly, we have increased the number of national parks, protected areas, from 30 to 45. At the same time, we have decided that we will not have any more power based on coal. We have already scrapped 2 coal power projects, which were supposed to produce 2,600 megawatts of energy, and replaced it by hydroelectricity. As far as our indigenous coal goes, we have decided to look for produce energy either by coal to liquid or coal to gas, so that we do not have to burn coal to produce energy. At the same time, we've also decided that by 2030, 60% of all energy produced in Pakistan will be clean energy through renewables. And also, 30% of all our vehicles would be on electricity. So I assure you that Pakistan will be doing its best to make its contribution to mitigate the effects of climate change. Thank you.